is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's Wednesday. Basically, we're having what I told you on the last episode. If you didn't catch it, it's my pop-up event that I do with the homies. It's called Selective Search. It's basically we call it the enthusiast meet of, like, you know, people who just love good quality car builds. And we're heading to Beat Culture. It's a local spot here. Want to shout out to them for giving us this spot so we could do. If you haven't been to Beat Culture, it's a brewery in Miami. Pretty dope spot if you like beers and stuff. But we're gonna go ahead and head to the spot right now. I'm actually about to pull up, set up real quick, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, this is like a pretty private meet that we do with just people all down south here. So as you can really tell, we got cars rolling in. Danny in the 33. I keep forgetting this motherfucker lives here now. I keep forgetting that he moved back here.
I forget he lives here. I forget to hit him up.
At the time, I'm like, oh shit, he lives here now. Tina and his new pickup, JZX. Just some of the heat. Bro, I forget that you live here now, bro.
Yeah.
I keep forgetting. I'm like, yo, this motherfucker's back here.
So I still don't really get invited to much. Like, niggas don't know.
Wait, aren't you in the selective chat? In the WhatsApp chat? Oh, I'm gonna add you right now.
Danny was like, yo, you're coming to a meet?
I was like, what are you talking about?
Sorry, bro. I was over here talking shit.
But,
Just trying to get out.
everybody's starting to pull up now. Everybody.
Time to be group here. What's up, bro? How you doing?
Chilla, how you been, bro? Good pickup.
Gosh, thanks for it. I love this, man.
This is fire, bro. You guys haven't seen this? That's Noel and I showed you guys his car on Saturday. It's fire. Eddie's Shark Nose on Group B. This is like his personal car on the Hanans. Or Heyman, however you pronounce it.
I'm on.
Come on, there you go.
Bro, I'm so stoked right now.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, when you told me that number, I'm like, what the hell? Oh, show him the bay. I'm recording. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Eddie Turbo, this freaking Shark. He just dynoed it. What did he make? Like you said, 4 what?
488.
488. This shit is so sick.
Yeah, I'm stoked.
Yeah, your boy ain't fucking around anymore.
Yeah, I know. Shit, Mike. Yeah, the best part is that you look at this car, you never think it's turbo.
I know. No, you see the piping like in the front and shit.
I know, but like a normal person, like, man, get the
No,
fuck
yeah,
out.
of course. You do like a little pull, you
Yeah,
hear you, you're like,
yeah.
what the fuck, bro?
This shit's dope.
Shit's wild.
It's dope. Well,
Slamaruski.
everybody's pulling up. Let me get this other stuff. Another homie here, the SI on Volks. I mean, not Volks, Advan. I believe they're GTs. Yeah, no, TC4s. Looks good. Quality stuff, bro. Quality stuff. I'm gonna put my phone to charge. Let me show you Brian Sunburst 993.
rev up?
Danny's 33. Really good, bro. Alright guys, I'm gonna put my phone down real quick to charge it a little bit so we can do some more content when everybody gets here. Alright guys, so it's kind of picked up. I'll show you some of the Supras that came in, some of the cars. The Supras on Works. Car is very clean. GT3 RS that just came in.
Very weird. I was like,
So S4 on TEs. Sorry, S3. I'm sorry. Oh, I said S4. Noise, this is F80. Epi's Evo 10 on TEs. Super on CCWs. Car looks nasty. Car looks crazy good. Marcos is F80 on Volt 21s. Car looks so good, bro. So good. This Jack's 5 Series. Car's nasty. Just had this car for a while. It's on boost.
Damn.
Another homie's car. E90 on TEs. Bro, it's just gonna see straight quality shit out here. This is so funny. A Type R on HREs. Like, when do you see this? Bucky's 997 Turbo on HREs as well. Nostalgic Nights R32. I love this car, bro. It's so good. GTR. I saw this car the other day at Tuner Evo. It's a B13 on RE30s. Looks so good. Car's super clean. Vinny's E30 on ITBs. Yo. Give him a blip. Give him a blip. This car is so sick. I love this car. Wait till you see the bay in this car. Pop the bay on this car, please. Oh damn, hold on, let me put the flash. I mean, you can see it perfectly. It's so nasty. M20 with the ITBs. I love it. I love it. 3-spoke Advance. Just throwing the car little by little, but the ITB setup is just nasty. Chillin'? How you been? Good. Good, of course, bro. As always, thank you for coming out.
He's 15s or 14s?
Huh?
He's 15s or 14s?
14s. Straight from Japan.
Big 16s going on.
James is supercharged E46 Active Auto Works. Nah, man, you're better off reversing and I'll open up the other side. That's just fire. Redlands Performance 911. Car is super nice. Homie George brought out the E36 on LMs. This guy brought out his C that's turbo.
What's up, man?
That's good, bro. Chilling. It's single, right?
Yeah. Still Home Motorsports single. Still stock block. It's pushing 600 to the wheel.
Okay.
Send it, man.
He said send in that.
Yeah. It can make way more. Like people are pushing like 700 to wheel on the stock blocks. But
Fuck
I
that.
like beating, I like beating on it. So.
Yeah, nah, you need that shit to live.
Yeah.
Thank you for coming out, bro. I know y'all coming out from up north, so.
Yeah. Appreciate it. But you'll have the new bumper and the new lid and the fender.
My shit looks low, it has cameras on it.
More cars, bro, man. Turnout's crazy right now.
It's Infinity horsepower.
Marcus's E36. It's not some shit I would eat at, but like if I was hungry, yeah.
No comment. Was
Like they was gonna go in there and get a
I mean,
burger.
yo, I don't know. They reopened, maybe. I don't never.
No, dude, I've had it. It was over salted.
Yeah, so-
You fucking had it, and you told me it was a good burger. Because we were coming here already. But
Yeah, like
no,
if
we
you
weren't.
need
You
food,
said-
I'm gonna eat it, like
no,
type
he
shit.
need-
But if
he
you can
needs
wait like
food.
30
3
minutes.
minutes?
That's
30
why
to
we're
an hour.
gonna wait a little bit. We're gonna Pollo. We're good.
Would you say go to?
Well, he wants to go to Pollo because like he moved out of Miami. I just picked him up from the airport.
to go to Pollo.
He's like, I want to go to Pollo.
He wants to go to Pollo. I'm not the Pollo.
You're on my budget.
I don't know what's around.
We're going to Pollo.
lived here in 10 years. You can take him for tacos and a smoothie. There's no tacos in Kendall.
On Kendall?
There's no tacos in Kendall.
There's a lot of tacos
Yeah,
in
but he's
Kendall.
in West Kendall. We're getting off on fucking
There's
137
tacos and tattoos.
by the airport. That's too south.
You want a tattoo?
No, I don't want a tattoo.
There's 40th. Where are you getting off on 40th?
No, bro. Before he's on, we're on Miller and 152nd by Ferguson.
You
by
act like
Lakesville
I
Meadows.
live in the fucking
shit,
wasteland.
you west.
You're my neighbor.
I know I'm your
West,
neighbor.
west.
My
Damn.
parents are your neighbor, by the
You're
way.
like trashing where we're from.
I'm from Brigham.
We got Ish's GTR here. My dog then pulled up from Broward. This SC is fire. I don't even know who drives this, but whoever drives this SC is fire. Chillin'?
Yeah, man.
I didn't even think he was coming.
Yeah, I was trying. I mean, I had to work. I was trying to get that.
Yo, this SC is fire.
Oh, shit.
This Wands? Oh, it's Wands.
That's fun.
Yeah, that shit's dope. I haven't seen that shit. Juan, I'm proud of you, big dog. The car is dope. Car is fire. I'm proud of you, for real. Yo, I didn't even know this is your whip. This shit's fire.
Thanks, bro.
This shit's
Real will,
fire.
baby. Real will.
Hey, I'm proud of you. Just walking around. Kevin K-Dot from Boston. Another look at Alex's car. Car looks crazy.
No, I like I get surprised. I wouldn't be surprised. I'm so happy.
Cusco Cage. Car looks fire.
Oh, it's trans. So it had nothing to do with my Ferrari responsibility. That's I have the same switch on the shifting and the transfer. I have the same
Nah, probably not, bro.
Maybe came out to our midnight.
Iron block. No, aluminum. And it just has an S54 housing, so I can run it over. Did it come with it, or this was a swap, right? No, it's a factory motor. That's a factory motor.
It's fire.
So it's what is it, a 530 or 530? Nice, bro. Thank you. I'm not on the swap car. I wanted to swap an S54. 780 grand back in the car. Like, I'll just plug in throw turbo kit on this. Be done. The iron block engine.
All right, guys. So yeah, I got caught up with just talking to so much people, so I had cut it there. But I just want to tell you thank you for joining the channel. We're actually gonna be going to Helen in the next couple of months at Invasion, so I'll be vlogging those next couple of things coming up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and we got more content rolling your way.